Hey Google, tell me a joke.
How does a train eat? It choo-choos.
Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow in Dublin?
In Dublin tomorrow, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a high of 69 and a low of 52.
Hey Google, what's 62 degrees Fahrenheit in centigrade?
62 degrees Fahrenheit equals 16.667 degrees Celsius.
Hey Google, why did the chicken cross the road?
Chicken motives may not be all that interesting.
Hey Google, what's the phone number for the Ratoath School of Music?
Ratoath School of Music can be contacted on 01-825-7322.
Hey Google, what time does AIB in Ashburn open?
AIB Bank at Frederick Street is closed today, but they open tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Hey Google, how long should I roast a chicken for?
On the website dish.allrecipes.com, they say, preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and cook whole chicken for 10 to 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and roast for 20 minutes per pound.
Hey Google, thank you.
You got it.